Welcome to the Chef School channel. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of culinary experience, and on this channel I share my favorite tried and true recipes with you. Today I'm showing you a super easy bread pudding recipe, soft on the inside, golden on top and packed with flavor. Best use stale brioche, challah bread, baguette, sourdough, croissant or any other pastries you have. Don't throw them away. This easy English bread pudding will turn them into one of the best desserts you ever made. Stale bread is key. It absorbs more flavor. If your bread is fresh, you need to dry it out first. Start by preheating your oven to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Grease your baking dish. Slice your bread and place it evenly inside the tray for baking. Bake it for about 10 minutes to lightly toast it. In a bowl, whisk together milk, eggs, sugar, vanilla, a pinch of salt and melted butter. Optionally, add a splash of rum or cinnamon powder for extra depth of flavor. Mix until smooth and well combined. Pour the custard over the bread. Make sure every piece is soaked. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the bread absorbs all the flavors. You can choose additional flavors like berries and dry fruits like raisins and plums. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes until golden on top and set in the center, or until internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. Take out and sprinkle with powdered sugar. This pudding should be served warm. And there you have it, soft, custardy inside, crispy golden top, simply comforting and absolutely delicious English bread pudding. Serve this pudding with some ice cream, whipped cream or sour cream, topped with berries. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and delicious ideas. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!